Muratatu we wa Eddie Derito na tata watu anatwa Eddie Derito BERNICE ni arikitie gututhura gicanja na ndereti nene muno guku social media orire SAMIDOH arikitie gutunga rwimbo ruria arekereria na ruria ruratwika aratungeire mutumia wake wa mburi Eddie Derito akimuhoya muhera. Team Eddie, team nothing but prayers makoretwo magieterera kuona kana Eddie ni agukorwo akirekereria ndumiriri makiria thutha wa rwimbo ruru rwa SAMIDOH badakoretwo akiaria na mundu uria wakorwo akiaria ni murata wake wa hakuhi BERNICE no uria wonekana kurakario ni rwimbo ruru rwa SAMIDOH kuringana na mashabiki haria makoretwo makireact thutha wa video iria BERNICE arekereria. Marauga ati SAMIDOH ni njino tu arari nacio na gutire rwimbo rwa kuhoya muhera arandikagira Eddie. Listen to what BERNICE agikorwo akiuga.
Do you ever think about your partner? Do you ever think how you're gonna end up hurting this other person? Or you're just selfish? I find it to be very inhuman, because you already have someone in a relationship, or you're already married to someone else, and you go start another relationship. How do you feel the other person feels? Do you ever in any time think about the other person? Ebu turn the coin the other way around. Kama ni unafanywa hivi.
You can see some of the comment iria ciakorwo igeikio ni mashabiki thutha wa BERNICE gukorwo agika video iyo. SAMIDOH na Karen Nyamu never considered Eddie's feeling. They expect Eddie to accept the situation because they feel she has nothing to offer. I decided to love myself and let him cheat in peace and marry whoever he pleases.